Hello, everyone. My name is Anthony Yu, and our today's topic for my presentation is the truth about plastic. Plastic was invented 1869 by John Wesley, but it didn't gain its popularity until Leo Baekeland developed fully synthetic plastic in 1907. And here, fully synthetic just means that it contains no molecules found in nature. It was then more popularized during World War II as they needed some sort of pliable and strong material that are cheap to produce to put in use. Nylon was one of the materials that was used quite often in World War II, and it was used to make um, things like parachutes, ropes, body armors, helmet, and liners. And materials such as plexiglass was used to make aircraft windows, which were very important in World War II. Even after the war was over, the popularity of plastic didn't die down due to its uh, pliable, strong, and ease of use, along with uh, cheaper production costs. Uh, but excessive usage of plastic has brought forth major environmental problems. The largest market that utilizes plastic in our society right now is the packaging industry. And they started using more and more single use plastics. This is because of the financial advantage that it could bring forward. Single use plastic is obviously cheaper to produce, but these single use plastics are non biodegradable, meaning that it cannot decompose in nature. And as the name suggests, can't be used more than once. Mm. This caused plastic municipal waste to increase from less than 1% in 1960 to more than 10% by 2005. Big jump. And it is estimated that 4 to 12 million metric tons of plastic debris are entered um, the marine environment just in 2010. And these debris cause ingestion and entanglement by marine life, and it really is horrible, actually. And we're gonna take a look at turtles as examples. Um, Turtles ingest plastic debris thinking it's their food because they look physically like turtles' main source of food. Turtles are known to eat um, small plankton and jellyfish as their food. Uh, Things like plastic bags and bottle cap could disguise and look really like their food. And these kind of direct ingestion could cause intestinal blockage and internal bleeding. Direct ingestion or indirect ingestion is common through them eating prey that ingested plastic before. And this could cause sublethal effect such as dietary delusion, reduced energy level, and chemical contamination that weakens immune system. And entanglement is another big problem within marine environment. And entanglement is one of the major causes that turtles are dying. Mortality rates are higher because of entanglement in many areas in our ocean. Common injuries caused by entanglement could include abrasion and loss of limbs. And this could ultimately cause them to slow down in their ability to get away from predators. So reduced ability to avoid predators is a big thing, and it's a big problem because turtles are endangered species. Sea turtles are endangered species. So and it the plastic negative effects of plastic doesn't end there. It also has negative effects on human health indirectly. Uh, Although impacts on human body from plastic by itself is uncertain to this day, the additive chemicals that are added to make single-use plastic are known to have negative effects in endocrine system in human body, which produces human hormones that regulates metabolism, growth and development, tissue functions, and sexual reproductive functions. These chemicals include bisphenol A, also commonly known as BPA, phthalate, and other flame retardants. And researchers have found that during pregnancy, these chemicals could also travel across placenta, and it could cause growth retardation and neurological harm in newborn babies. It's terrible. This brings us to our last slide, solutions for our plastic problem. Uh, we need solutions for safer and more sustainable use of plastic. It's obvious. Um, there are things that we could do as individuals, simple things as small as carrying our own steel water bottle or ceramic water bottle, or bringing a cloth bag to grocery shopping. And it's also very important to use baby bottles that are made of glass rather than plastic, as mentioned before. But I feel like it's more important, just as important, if not more important, for us as society, to educate people, especially young people, on the harmful effects of plastic and enforce strict rules upon industry that are making profits off of these single-use plastic. Uh, I hope you guys enjoyed my presentation. Here is my reference page. And I hope all of you guys have wonderful rest of the summer. Thank you so much. Goodbye.